Use these tips to maximize your affiliate marketing income. Some business information you receive in life will be very poignant and ultimately help you to achieve success, while other information will leave you chasing your tail before you ultimately get dizzy and fail. Avoid the latter scenario by ignoring the garbage on the web and focusing on these affiliate marketing tips. Create a feeling of scarcity. By making your product seem like it's in limited supply, or by making your service appear to go up in price after a certain date, visitors to your site are faced with a time-sensitive dilemma. They are more likely to make a positive decision about your product because they don't want to miss out on a great deal. Check current news headlines to see if you can use them to your internet marketing advantage. A news story on electrical outages, for example, is perfect for you if you are in the solar industry. Use news stories for blog post ideas and real-life examples of why your product or service is a necessary purchase. Affiliate marketing and SEO go hand in hand, you can't have one without the other. Once you join an affiliate marketing program, determine the best keywords that will drive potential buyers to your site. Making your site easy to find and highly relevant to the product you're advertising will translate into more click-throughs and more conversions. Promote your affiliate link on content sites. Although this is an old affiliate marketing technique, it still works providing you post high-quality, unique content along with your link. If you do not have time to write a quality video yourself, then consider outsourcing the work. The tips you've watched here pertaining to affiliate marketing are better than what other folks are pushing because these tips were put together by people who are actually successful working as affiliates. This type of marketing isn't a guessing game, nor does it follow the same logical path of some other business models. Employ the tips you've learned here for your affiliate campaign. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.